Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to connect Google Calendar to Ticktick using Zapier. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to zapier.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. After you're logged in, you'll land on your main dashboard where you can start creating your automation. In the upper left corner of the screen, click on Create and then select Zap Workflows from the options that appear. This will open up a new workspace where you can build your automation between Google Calendar and Ticktick. Now, click the trigger button. This is where you'll set up the starting point of your automation, which in this case will be an event from your Google Calendar. From the list that appears, click on Google Calendar. This tells Zapier to monitor your Google Calendar for any new activity. In the right panel, navigate to the Trigger Event section. Click the drop-down menu below it, and for instance, choose New Event. Of course, you can select a different option based on your preferences and what you want to trigger the automation. This determines exactly what kind of calendar activity will start the workflow. Below that, click Sign In. A window will pop up, prompting you to connect your Google Calendar account. Go ahead and click Connect. This allows Zapier to access your Google Calendar and monitor it for the trigger event you just selected. You may need to grant permissions, so just follow any additional prompts that appear. Next, click the Action button. This is where you'll define what happens after the trigger occurs. Click the search bar at the top and type in Ticktick, then click it from the results. This sets Ticktick as the destination for your automation. In the right panel, navigate to the Action Event section. Click the drop-down menu below it, and for example, click Add Task. You can also select a different option based on what you want to accomplish, but adding a task is the most common action for this kind of integration. This means that whenever a new event is created in Google Calendar, a corresponding task will be added to Ticktick. Below that, click Sign In. A window will pop up asking you to connect your Ticktick account. Click Connect to authorize Zapier to access your Ticktick account and create tasks on your behalf. From here, continue through the configuration prompts. Zapier will guide you through mapping the fields from Google Calendar to Ticktick, such as event title, description, and due date. Take your time to set everything up according to your needs until you reach the test section. Once you test the integration and it works successfully, click Publish in the upper right corner to activate your automation. And that's it. You've successfully connected Google Calendar to Ticktick, and now your calendar events will automatically sync as tasks. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.